come here. Come on. Good boy. You like those stairs, huh?
Ruru.
He
Good boy.
likes them.
You love your new stairs, huh? Nice and soft on your paws. 5 stars, everybody. Highly recommend. Just look at him. Ask him.
5.5 pounds, and he loves
Ruru.
them.
5 stars? 5 stars? Okay. Come on. Boy, good job. Good job.
That there's any type of plea deal that may be in the works, and we're going to have a trial result. How long that takes, we don't know. Jake Gibson, my colleague who is watching the proceedings, said that Abby Lowell.
Come on, Maisie. Oh, yeah. Now let's go up it. Now let's go up it. Come on. Come on. Good girl.
That gets expensive fast. Upgrade to the next generation of the cloud. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or OCI. OCI is the single platform for your infrastructure, database, application development, and AI needs. Do more and spend less, like Uber, 8x8, and Databricks Snowflake. Take a free test drive of OCI.
Kikyo. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, boy. Good job. Good job. Move, Stormy. Come on, Plutes. Pluto. Oh, Lord. Good girl. Go. Good girl. Oh, good girl.
Is Katie Burke, a freshman senator